I've been selling digital products since 2009, made my first $100,000 before most people even knew what the heck digital products was. PDFs used to print money, but not anymore. The market has completely flipped. Buyers want interactive tools and experiences, not digital documents collecting dust in their downloads graveyard. So today I'm showing you exactly how to use Claude Artifacts to build a fully interactive digital product from scratch in under 15 minutes for free. No coding, no developer, no tools to pay for. This is the shortcut I wish I had when I first got started. As some of you know, I was a former electrician until I started selling digital products that have earned me multiple six figures without a big audience, and get this, only a tiny subscriber base. But enough of that, let's jump right into it. But first, what the heck are Claude Artifacts? Think of it this way. If you ever use ChatGPT or Claude as your day-to-day chatbot, to write content or create digital products where you type in a prompt and AI spits out this big wall of text you have to skim through like a deer in headlights. Claude Artifacts, on the other hand, does all the work for you. Type in a prompt, instead of pages and pages of text, it kicks out an interactive digital products that are currently selling right now. We're talking interactive mini apps, guides, quizzes, customer tools, lead magnets, etc. Just about anything your audience can click and use for a more interactive learning experience. Now, these type of products will help you earn more money and stand out from all the PDF digital noise hardly anyone's paying for anymore. Now, to check this out yourself, once you're inside of Claude, click on Artifacts for product inspiration. As you see, Claude already has a whole library of pre-built artifacts you can start with. Think of an annoying problem you or your customer would happily pay someone to fix. So for example, meeting notes. Claude lets you paste raw meeting text and transform it into a clean, structured summary. So for a quick test, I'll copy the text here and then paste it so you can see how it all works. It's just like a mini app to help you solve a small specific problem while creating an interactive experience. So as you see here, we now have a meeting summary note. It's kind of like a lighter version of vibe coding. You can also customize it how you like and tweak the look and style. You just explain what you want in a chat, like, let's say, update the style, make it more personal. Okay, now after Claude updates the changes you want, you can then publish and make it live. There are people paying $20 to $40 a month for similar tools. Claude can build you a custom one for free, that you can either use for yourself or sell for a profit. So as you scroll through all the different product options, just go ahead and ask yourself, what problem would you like to solve, or what product would you like to sell? Is it an app, website, a game, productivity tool, some type of quiz? You decide. Now, to create a new artifact, click New Artifact. You'll see options such as apps, website, documents, games, surveys, productivity tools, quizzes, etc. Or let's say, you want to start from scratch and build a learning experience that complements a YouTube video. You can simply take a YouTube transcript or any piece of content you've already made and then paste it into Claude. So for example, I'll type something like, let's say, create an interactive walkthrough presentation of the key concepts so viewers can follow along with my video. By the way, this is pure gold for educators and coaches. You can create lead magnets or valuable product resources for your customers. After it finishes, Claude will ask, does this match your vision? Now, once you confirm, it will start building your product. And as you can see to the right, Claude writes the code in real time. Just give it a minute or two, grab yourself some coffee. And then once it's done, to see how the artifacts looks, just click this preview icon. Now, if you don't like the style, no problem. Just say something like, change it to more bold colors and aesthetic graphics. Or, just find a website you like, copy the URL, paste it into Claude and say, can you make it similar to this aesthetics instead. Claude will then recode everything based on your instructions. Once it's all done, usually take, I'll say, a few minutes. Simply tap the icon to review. Now, as you see, this looks so much nicer and premium than your typical PDF hardly anyone's reading anymore. And because digital product buyers are craving something different and interactive, this will help you stand out among 99% of people selling digital products online. Now, that doesn't get you excited about what AI can do for your business. I don't know what will. Now, once you're happy with what you have, you can go ahead and click publish. Once it's published, artifacts will be accessible for your customer or clients to consume right away. It's also great for SEO, which helps you appear in search engine results as well. Now, the artifacts can include a call to action, so when someone finds it online, they'll know exactly what to do next. Now that it's published, you can go ahead and copy the link and paste it into your social media or YouTube bio. Or, if you have a website, you click embed code, paste it into Standstore or Gumroad or any site builder. Now you have a solid, profitable product your audience can actually click, interact with, and enjoy instead of, a PDF sitting in a forgotten download folder. If you want the exact blueprint for earning your first $5,000 selling profitable digital products using AI without a big audience or technical skills, you're welcome to grab your first 5K digital blueprint in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.